What's up, guys? It's Whoopi, and today I just wanted to show you like a really cool thing, so you can make your voice louder than it actually gets. So I actually used this in Cows Mad, a video I posted I think yesterday. It depends how long it takes for this one to post, but yeah, so Cows Mad. As you could hear, the music got really loud. I don't want to spoil it, but yeah. So today I'll be showing you how to do that. So we've got the video here that I took. So yeah, if you go to volume, it only goes to 500%. So what's up, guys? It's Whoopi, and if you want it to be louder, then I'll show you. So you see it's 500% right now, right? So you gotta do that first. Then you press done on your movie. And then, I'm not sure if this is only an iPad thing, but yeah. So then you've gotta save it to your videos. So save video. And I'll just do HD18. Yeah. Okay. So now what you're gonna do is delete the project here, because now it's saved to your photos. Make another movie. Use the louder one. Hey, what's up, guys? So that's 500% still, right? But if you go to volume, it's only 100% because, yeah, so it doesn't save like that, but the volume is Whoopi, and 500%. So what you can do is put it up again. Today I just wanted to show you even louder and even lower quality.